Flipside supernova. On the flip side of desire is rot, moss, ash. How did we get here, you might ask yourself, and you'd be right. When we were a tumbling mass of hair and sweat and blushing skin, could you have imagined this? Your father's acid rage, a brute truth I never bargained for. And where I thought I had none, I have currency now. In every word, every letter, every breath, I will not pay for this. Although by my loss I pay, I keep the change. I have since learned a much better use of my one sovereign heart. I have made a place here in the dirt where I can tend tender sproutings of seed, a life. From my knees, I've struck a new bargain. This time, I'm the one burning. This time, I may never stop.